As you see, I'm using my homemade Marty McFly costume. I will talk about it later on in the video. So now we're going to unbox the Star Wars The Black Series Darth Vader Degobah Vision. It's figure number 7. So yeah, let's get this Darth Lord out of here. So yeah, this is my Star Wars The Black Series Darth Vader. Let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. It's getting open. Yeah. Alright. It's almost done. Yes. Oh my god. It has the cape. The cape. Yes. Get out, Dark Lord. Get out. Yeah, this is it. But there he looks like he's freezing carbonite. So let's get him out of there. Yeah, this is really it. It's really amazing. This is the lightsaber. His face can tear off that part. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the card is good too. Yes, it's very detailed. So yeah, I hope you like my unboxing of the Star Wars Black Series Darth Vader. So now let's go on with the costume. So I use this pair of white shoes. They're not Nike, but I don't have them. This Levi's pants, jeans. This red Tommy Hilfiger shirt for the shirt of Marty. These white and blue shirt. It doesn't have stripes. It has like flowers, but okay. With two buttons off. This jeans shirt with the neck upside. This vest, my mom's vest, and that's it. As today's Halloween, I proposed myself to start reading Stephen King's The Shining. So look forward to my review of this book. Yeah, I haven't seen the movie, so it's completely new for me. But if it has Jack Nicholson in the movie, I might read the book. So yeah, please subscribe, like, and share. And see you next time. I am your father.